Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our healthy heroes for the next week in July. And I've got my sticker sheets, or sticker sheet, and some washi tape and some sticker books that I used, but pretty simple this week. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my sidebar, which is from the Supermom sticker book. I mentioned this the last couple weeks that I'm going to be using the sidebars from that book throughout July, so that'll be the basis of my color scheme, if you will. I went ahead and pulled a bunch of pink and purple tones from there in the Healthy Hero sticker book to kind of tie with it. So right now I'm laying in my push-up challenge stickers so that I can know how many push-ups I'm going to need to do next week. So I'm just trimming this one out here, kind of making it fit within the box. And I also pulled some workout stickers. I only had pink tones, so I pulled some in black to kind of offset that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those guys in. And okay, and let's see, so I also pulled these kind of purpley pink toned stickers for my stats trackers. They also introduced a new color, which was kind of like that little blue tone, so I went ahead and kind of worked with it, not against it, since I didn't have enough to do it without those blue toned stat stickers. So it should be like pink, purple, and blue are the tones, with black as also a further color. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay in my food log tracker stickers, and kind of the same deal here. I didn't have enough of any one color scheme, so I'm adding in the black to kind of alternate in, and I think that kind of works just because of the way I've been doing it above, and just makes sense. And those were all pulled from the mini sticker book, so they're a little bit short, which is fine for the way I do it, and you'll see why in a little bit. I will make it work for me. Next I was going to start with my focus section, lay down that washi, but it was a little bit funky. I don't know, it's just kind of a bad print, or they did that on purpose, but it was just a little funky and just not, I don't know, it wasn't cut well, so we'll see. I'm just going to go ahead and try to make it work, since it will be mostly covered anyway by those squares, and I needed something kind of simple and black for the background. And I'm going to go ahead and put one of these on each day, just some kind of healthy habit reminders for me. I pulled all ones that I really do kind of need as reminders, so I think that it worked well. I got the color scheme to work with it, so nothing that was not applicable, if you will, to my workout needs. And then I didn't pull anything for Saturday's rest day, so I had to go back to the book and pull something for that. So just got one of those I'm feeling stickers, kind of a check-in. And now I'm laying in all of the like little icon elements that I pulled to kind of go in and around those box stickers, kind of give it a little bit of extra oomph. Didn't really have room for them all, so I'm just going to go ahead and repurpose those other ones in different areas. And I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and trim out the bottom, which I was talking about before, with some black washi. That way I can write in my total calories there at the bottom and kind of give a visual separator for that. So I pulled this one, which seemed to work the best with the color scheme, and it's mostly black. The other ones were kind of black and white, which wasn't working as well with the theme, so I decided on this one. once I get that trimmed out, I think that'll be all the stickers. And then I'm just going to go ahead and write in a few things, those total calories like I mentioned before. Put those guys in, so they're ready to go. Also sleep there at the bottom. Again, I have extra room there because of the mini stickers. And then I'll go ahead and write in my habit trackers and then maybe a goal, and I'll be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!